enough. Better do. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What you do, what's good, what's popping? I hope everybody is fine. To my new subscribers, you're welcome and thank you for the support. For the old ones, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for your support. So today I'd like to do us a deep conditioner, a deep nourishing conditioner. Like our natural hair are always testy and dry, so this is going to help you retain moisture. So guys, we have avocado. Don't ask me why my avocado is half, like I ate the other half with bread. So delicious. So guys, we have avocado. What I'll do is I'll just go ahead and cut them and put it into my blender. And the next thing we have bananas. Like, I'm just going to run down all the importance of these items that I'm using to make this deep conditioner. Like, this deep conditioner is awesome. You don't need to really buy deep conditioners. You can always make yours at home with your natural ingredients. So that's my bananas. And guys, use really ripe bananas, like bananas that are riper than mine. Bananas that are riper than mine. Riper. Is that even a word? Oh well, take it like that. Use bananas that are really ripe. And then we have our egg. Egg is really vital. I'll go ahead and run down the importance of the ingredients like I said. And I have my olive oil. I don't really have measurements for this. I just go ahead and eyeball it. But if you are that person who likes to measure things, you can go ahead and do your measurements. But I'll just add my olive oil and my honey. Like, my honey is finished, so I had just a tablespoon of honey. Just go ahead and add it into that, and I'll blend. That's me blending. Really blend it to be smooth. Like, it should have a smooth consistency. Blend and blend and blend. And then to go extra, try to strain it. Use a strainer. Use a stocking cap. Anything that you know you can strain and let the particles remain, because you wouldn't want those particles to remain in your hair. Like, it would be a hassle taking them off. So you go ahead and then you strain that. You can see what is remaining in there. So all those things would have been in your hair, and it would have been a great hassle for you to take it out. So that's a smooth, pasty conditioner, deep conditioner. You can see that my hair looks dry though. My hair is dry, but it's healthy. And you can see my scalp. Guys, if you haven't watched the video of where I did dandruff treatment, go and watch it. Like, this has really helped me. Look at my hair after 3 weeks. My hair is still so clean inside. Like, before, it will be flaky and itchy, but that treatment is really helping me. So I'll leave the link in the description box, or maybe I'll leave a card up. You can click there and go and watch how to make your dandruff treatment so that you have healthy hair. So I just went ahead and I part my hair into 4, so it will be easy for me to apply and saturate my hair with that product. So let's start with avocado. Avocado is a good source of protein as well as vitamin B, which is an essential vitamin for optimal hair health. The natural oils and the vitamin in avocado makes it a great natural ingredient due to the moisturizing qualities and nourishing qualities it have. Avocado is a natural moisturizer. Like I said, it can help prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Like, when your hair doesn't break, your hair is going to grow fuller and longer. So it's always good for us to really moisturize our hair. Like it strengthens your hair. And avocado also has like natural sunscreen properties. Like it helps protect your hair from sun damage. Like you see my hair is really dark. It's really dark because of the things I use on my hair, and I always make sure that I like cover my hair with something when I'm going out. I protect my ends. Okay, we have banana. Banana is also also great for your scalp. Why am I talking like this? Like somebody who has stroke. Banana helps to protect your scalp. It prevents dandruff. It prevents split ends and breakage. You understand? Like it moisturizes your hair. When your hair is moisturized, I'll keep on saying this, it will not break. You can see my curls are already popping. You can see how soft my hair is already looking. Like you can see it for yourself. It's no magic. It's this product. It really helps to add in moisture into your hair. There is honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture from the air to your hair, to your skin. Wherever you use honey, just know that that place will be so moisturized. And then we also have eggs. Eggs contain sulfur. In my previous video, I've talked about sulfur. It's really great for your hair. It's important for healthy hair and hair growth because it helps strengthen your hair. So I just go ahead and then I wrap my hair, like tuck in the ends, let that moisture seep in, and then use a shower cap. Any cap that you have, use a shower cap like to cover your hair and let it sit there for a while. Like that's my own shower cap. Don't come for me. I don't have a shower cap, so I decided to improvise and use that wrapper or that plastic bag. I wrapped my hair for about 45 minutes because I was working. I was doing house chores, so I wrapped my hair. And guys, look at my hair. Look at the curls. Look at how soft. And it's so easy for you to run your fingers through. Your hair doesn't break as much. Look at how soft my hair is. You can use this as a co-wash. Like if you've already washed your hair, you can use this for co-washing your hair. Look at the curls. It's popping, guys. So the olive oil there helps to like moisturize your hair too and leaves your hair shine. Look at my hair after I washed it. Look at the curls. So healthy. So if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, and bye bye.